First, clean and dry the surface. Next, peel off the adhesive backing tape. Check the fit before pressing down. Press both bases firmly to secure. Then, you should peel and attach the key holder in a safe, easy-to-find spot. To unlock, simply attach the magnetic key to the lock for quick, one-handed access. You can also choose 6 different positions for a better fit. Easily check if it's locked at a glance. And enjoy flexible straps for flat surfaces, curved edges, and corners. The strong adhesive keeps cabinets closed and curious hands out. While the durable, odor-free design fits into everyday family life. Always store the magnetic key in a high place and out of children's reach. Thoughtful protection that makes everyday parenting feel a little lighter.